Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening and verifying your Olymp Trade account. This reduces friction and unlocks deposit options. Once done, switch immediately to the demo mode with its $10,000 virtual balance so you can make lifestyle trades without risk. Make sure to set your chart type and preferred asset list now, because a focused workspace speeds decision-making. Doing this first saves time and prevents costly mistakes when you move to real funds. You now execute structured trades. Pick an asset and a time frame that matches your strategy, then size positions at about 1–2% of your equity to manage risk. Use indicators such as exponential moving averages and RSI to time entries, and confirm with support/resistance levels so you understand why a trade should work. Once you place windows for stop loss and take profit, repeat the same plan and demo until you've done it 50 or more. When you move to live trading, fund a small amount first and scale only after consistent gains. This preserves capital while you adapt to real emotions. Keep a concise trading log recording entries, exits, the rationale, and how you felt so you can review and improve. If something goes wrong, connectivity, unexpected platform behavior, or outsized losses, pause trading immediately. Check your internet and platform status and contact support if needed. Then reassess your position, sizing, and rules before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.